Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a rabbit by the toe. Well, if it stops, let him go. Out goes Y-O-U. Today for Taste Test Tuesday, I gotta do a short one because I'm running out of time. It's almost Wednesday some places. I'm gonna try out this strawberry banana drinkable yogurt. Mainly because this is the one that'll go bad. Now, you guys can tell me out of these other 4 things which one you want to see me drink or eat or whatever next week. We got Parrot coconut juice. We got Parrot mango drink. We got Juicy Drop, some kind of candy, and Powder Crunch that apparently has a nipple on it. So I don't know, let me know which one of these you want me to try next. They'll be sitting here waiting for me next week. Gonna try out some GlenOaks strawberry banana with probiotics. It's made from milk from cows not treated with RBGH. Sounds like a public television station. Let's give it a little shake up. Well, it's good. I hope my body wasn't relying on the bovine growth hormone to stay alive, but because I think I might be drinking some more of this. Well, let me know which one of these other things you want me to try out next week. And I don't know, did anybody do the dollar menu thing?